Should we do it in Spanish? Okay, bueno. Buenos días, buenos días. ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? Muy bien, gracias, muy bien, gracias. ¿Y tú? ¿Y tú? Good morning, Twyman class. Let me put this guitar down. Yeah. Buenos dias. Good morning. I hope you're doing well today. I caught something in a jar. We're gonna pretend I did. Look at here. Cacé algo. What are these? You are right. They're bugs, or a fancy way is say insects. We were studying about bugs and insects, and I caught them in a jar. Let's count and see how many. Contaremos cuántos agarré en total. Ready? Let's start up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. 12. I hope I didn't miss any. 12. This is how you write the number 12. Así se escribe el número 12. You make a number 1, and then you make a number 2. And this is the number 12. El número 12. Let's see how many there are of each bugs. Vamos a ver cuántos insectos hay de cada uno, okay? I made a chart. Let's count first. What should we start off with? Let's start off with the bees. Vamos a empezar con las abejas, right? Let's see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 4 abejas. 4. 4. Cuatro abejas. So, here is my chart. I made a chart. Esto es para anotar los insectos. Do you see? Here are the insects, and here are numbers 1 through 10. Números 1 a 10. So, do you remember how many bees we found? Encontramos 4, and we're gonna go up here. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's how many we found. I'm gonna put a little line and color it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Because I found 4 bees. Let's count. Vamos a contar los gusanitos. Let's count how many caterpillars we caught. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. So, there were 4 bees, right? Now there's 6 caterpillars. 6. Let's mark that on our chart. It's a graph. This is called a graph. So here's my caterpillar. And let's see, we count 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Look at that. 6 is more than 4. And I'm coloring all of the spaces because we counted 6. Now let's go to the ladybug, okay? Vamos a ver cuántas mariquitas encontramos. Here's my jar. How many do you see? ¿Cuántos ves? 2. 1, 2. All right, so that number goes like this. Around and down to the ground. You make a line, and that's a 2. All right? So we're going to go to my graph. And there's the caterpillar. Ahí está el mariquita. And we're going to count 1, 2. We're going to fill in 2 squares. 1, 2. So you can see which has the most. Which did we find more of? Encontramos más de qué? We found more caterpillars. We found 6 caterpillars. And then, which insect did we find the least amount? El menos. the ladybug, we only found 2. And then the bee, we found 4 of them, right? So this is a way that you can record some things that you observe or that you can count, and that way you can see the amount of what we caught in our jar by looking at our graph. Puedes ver lo que pescamos en nuestra jarrita viendo ese graph. All right, I have another activity. Do you remember we were learning the letter N? Estábamos aprendiendo la letra N. This is the big N, little n, or uppercase N, lowercase n, la grande y la pequeña n. So what you can do, remember I told you can use mail that you get. Pueden usar la correspondencia que llega, and you can look and you can see. I already started cutting, that's why this is weird. Do you see the letter N? A big N or a little n? Yeah, right here, right? And I already cut this. Ya lo corté. So you take this and you can glue it, pueden pegarlo, or you can just place it like this. Okay? And then we're gonna look for the little n. Vamos a tratar de buscar la pequeña n. I'm gonna get my magazine again. This was just a coupon book. Let's see if you can spot the little n. Do you spot it? Right there. I see the little n. So you can take and cut the little n. This is a very tiny n that I'm cutting. Es pequeña esta n, but I'm gonna use it anyway. All right, and I'm going to put my little n right there. All right, but we're not gonna stop there. Ahí no vamos a parar. What you can also do is look in a magazine. Pueden ver en una revista que pueden cortar. You can look in a magazine, but ask permission to cut first. And find pictures or things that start with the sound. So I'm gonna look to see if I see something that starts with the sound. Oh, actually, you know what? I think I found something that starts with N. Encontré algo que empieza con la letra N. What's on her face? ¿Qué está en su cara? A nose. You're right. So you can cut that picture of a nose and put it on your paper. I'm just gonna cut her face. Voy a cortar toda su cara. And I would put or glue, lo pondré aquí, and maybe you can point an arrow. Pueden apuntar una, para ver que es la nariz que empieza con la letra N. So you can do that with the letter N, or if you would like, you can do it with the letter P, because we are also learning the letter P. This is the big P, la grande P, and the little p. Okay? So, do some of those things at home. And as always, I would love to see your pictures if you want to share them with me. Me encanta ver las fotos si quieren compartir conmigo. And I will see you very soon, my friends. I miss you. Bye.